Christmas is almost here. I can't wait! Today we're making a recipe that reminds me of Christmas morning because every year my mom makes cinnamon rolls for breakfast. It might get messy, but come cook with me on Let Kids Cook. Our recipe today is a warm, gooey cinnamon roll mug cake. You'll need 4 tablespoons of pancake mix, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. First, add your pancake mix to a mug. Then, add brown sugar and cinnamon. Stir it up. Next, add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla. Mix it until it is smooth, then set it aside. Now we're going to make our cinnamon swirl. You will need 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 to 2 teaspoons of melted butter. In a small bowl, you're going to mix the brown sugar and cinnamon together. Next, add a little butter at a time until you have a moist but not liquidy mixture. Then, use your toothpick to swirl it into your cake batter. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 60 to 75 seconds. While that's cooking, let's quickly mix up our glaze. All you will need is 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of milk. Mix them together until it's smooth. You can add a few more drops of milk if you need to. Now our mug cake is ready, so we're just going to drizzle the glaze on top. It tastes amazing. Thanks for cooking with me on Let Kids Cook. Subscribe for more tasty treats kids can make themselves. See you next time. Bye!